Good morning. Today on Customer States what? Customer states my power steering is really hard to turn. And I'm hearing a gurgling coming from the engine. And while you're there, perform multi-point inspection. Say no more. Well, we're looking around the vehicle, we can see they got a Toyota True Start battery in there that tests good. Brake fluid, looking alright. Clutch fluid, looking alright. Let's see, we got any leaks? No leaks found up here, but I can tell you this much. We got a leak down there. So we briefly road tested the vehicle, and I can tell you this, sure enough, there's no power steering. It's strictly rack and pinion. We had to give it the old shoulder to turn it into the left. So yeah, we topped off the washer fluid. Let's check the power steering fluid. Well, it looks like there's something in there. Well, it must be a slow leak. Alright, so we check the engine air filter, that's clean. The cabin air filter is dirty. We're going to recommend that with the CSW AC service to disinfect the whole system. And let's take it up top. So now that we took it up top and I took the shield down, you clearly see something's a-pissing. The further we look, oh yeah, we got a bursted power steering line. Well, yeah, if the power steering is hard to turn and the pump is a-growling because it's low on fluid, that would be the reason right there. So let's go a little further back. Well, not a little further back. Let's just look around. Let's look around the flavor. Rotor looks like it's wearing a little abnormally. It's due to the rust. Oh, look at this axle shaft. I just made it lighter. Shocks, yeah, they're rusty. Not looking good. So the one thing that I'm really worried about getting that power steering line out is where it goes into the rack. Because where it goes into the rack is not looking good either. It's looking flavorful. It's looking like I'm gonna have a lot of issues getting it out. Whoa! Look at the petrified differential into the petrified front drive shaft. Wow. All right. Yeah. Manual transmission, very good. Well, at least the rear drive shaft is looking a little better than the front. Yeah, we got some rust over there on those shocks. It's not that bad. Oh, this side's a little worse, but... Alright, didn't piss at me, so that's good. It's holding. And then the freaking trailer hitch is oogly. Oh! That had to be the biggest freaking chip to hit the camera yet. Transfer case, yep, looking good. Shield is rusting away, but it's still there. Looks like the frame has been treated before. Very good. Oh, and these things are still there. I mean, some Goomba didn't lift them up on it, and oh yeah, they did. They look different. Looks like that one's damaged. Alright, so we're gonna recommend that line, but I hope I don't need a rack. Because, oh god. Well, you know what? I don't have to take it out of the rack. If I can get the line, it looks like I could just take off this clamp here and the clamp over there, and I could replace the bursted line or the hard metal line. But look at that one. This one here is not looking good either, man. It's not leaking, but you know what? Don't look at it. Don't look at it. It might just start pissing on me. Alright, well, let's see if they bite, or if they just want no power steering for the rest of their life. Alright, until then guys, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.